In this channel, I'll be showing you how I was able to monetize my new Faceless YouTube channel from scratch in just 65 days. Yes, you heard me right. Are you dreaming of starting a YouTube channel that will eventually have massive views, subscribers, and of course, qualifies you for monetization? Congratulations, you have come to the right channel. I will show you practical step-by-step on how I was able to take my YouTube video from this to this in just 65 days. If you love what you are hearing, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can also recommend it to other people who are also interested in videos like this. If you are coming across this video for the first time, this is Legit Info Hub, where I teach how you can monetize your YouTube channel within 65 days. And remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I post a video, you get to see it. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, I'll tell you why you should start a YouTube channel. So many people start YouTube channel for so many reasons, depending on their own personal preferences. Alright, so number one of the reason why you should start a YouTube channel is your audience growth. The second reason why you should start a YouTube channel is for your personal brand development. Okay, now the final thing, the number 3 point, which is the most important, and in fact that's the reason why you're still watching this video till now, is passive income. Okay, now you want to make money while on YouTube. Okay, so that's the more reason why you need to subscribe to this channel, because I'll make sure I guide you from my personal experiences, what I have actually done in 65 days that actually got my channel to monetization level. Next thing I'll be talking about is choosing a profitable niche. Yes, as important as this may sound, you have to identify your interests. All right, you don't just want to go into YouTube because you love YouTube or because you see someone else doing. So you want to make sure you go with what you have interest in, what you have passion for. All right, now what you have passion for, it may vary. It depends on what you love and what you would love to do. You have to start with what you have passion for, what you can conveniently do even when you are not getting paid for it. All right, so that is passion. The next thing I want to talk about is research topic. Now listen to this. You don't want to just post random videos out there. Okay, you want to make sure that you are posting what people want to hear. Okay, now remember, you are on YouTube for your audience. You are not on YouTube for yourself. All right, so you have to post what your audience wants to hear. And if you're not giving them what they want to hear, trust me, you cannot have views. The next thing is evaluate your competition. Remember, you are doing what you have passion for, but you also want to stand out from the rest. Okay, now in this particular channel, I'll be showing you exact how you can do all this on your own, all for free. Trust me guys, your channel will definitely monetize before 65 days if you follow everything I'll be teaching you in this channel. The next thing I'll be talking about is setting up your channel for success. This is also very important. As a YouTuber, you don't just want to set up your channel anyhow. You don't just want to do it because you want to do it. You want to be intentional about it. You want to make sure that you are doing what people want. I will now talk about designing your channel art. Now, when I talk about designing your channel art, it means how you can design your thumbnail, how you can design your channel banner, how you can design your profile picture. Okay, this goes a very long way to tell your audience or to explain to your audience what you actually stand for and what you'll be offering to them. So the next thing is setting up your bios. Yes, this is the bedrock of your YouTube channel. Okay, you want to make sure that you state clearly exactly what your audience expects to get from your channel and reason why they should subscribe to your channel. Okay, you don't just want to put out any bios. I'm here on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Why should I subscribe to your channel? So this your bios is going to explain clearly to audience, because every YouTuber has audience. Okay, so now when your audience comes to your channel, they want to see what they are expecting. So if they are expecting what they want, they will definitely subscribe to your channel. So this brings me to this point that if you're still enjoying this video to this moment, it shows that you are really interested in moving your YouTube to the next level. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so before. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get to see it. Another important thing I'll be talking about in this channel is planning content strategy. Alright, now you don't just want to wake up any day and post, or you just want to wake up and make a post whenever you feel like, or when you are in the mood to make a video. I'll also show you how to create content calendar. Remember, this is a passive income, and you are doing so many other stuffs, you are doing many other businesses or your job, so you don't want it to interfere with other of your activities, okay? Because this is just a passive income and you are starting out, you've not started making money from it yet, so you want to give it time while you are still on your other business. So you have to plan your content strategy very well so that you will be consistent. This will help you stay consistent, meaning you know when to post, you know when you want to make video, so you plan your video ahead. You can plan your video, make your video ready, so that when it comes to the day you want to post, you don't have any excuse to why you have not posted. In this process now, it will help you stay consistent, because YouTube rewards consistency. It needs your consistency. All right, I'll be showing you how to make research, how to research video ideas. Yes, very, very important. I said earlier that you don't just want to put out a video out there, because people are actually searching for a lot of videos on YouTube. So you want to position your channel to be a channel that has what people are actually looking for. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can research video ideas of what people are actually looking for at that moment. The next part I'll be talking about is framing and editing. Yes, you might say, I don't have a camera, I don't have good lighting, I don't have this, I don't have that. That is never an excuse to why you should not start your YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, I'm recording this video with my phone. Yes, I had to record this video with my phone so that I will show you that you don't need sophisticated equipment to start your YouTube channel. You can start with what you have. That your smartphone is enough to start your YouTube channel. Okay. Then, as for editing, we have a whole lot of free apps out there. Now, for the purpose of this training, I'll be using InShot and CapCut. Now, the reason why I'm using InShot and CapCut is because it is very, very easy to use. It is user friendly, especially if you don't have pre-knowledge of video editing. So InShot and CapCut, it is very, very simple and easy to use. So that's what I'll be using to show you. Now, I will teach you how to edit your video professionally. Now, trust me guys, you don't want to just edit your video anyhow. You want to make it professional. You want to make it appealing for your audience to watch. All right, so in as much as you have a lot of value to give out, now if your video is not good enough, if your video is not appealing to the eyes, trust me, people will not want to stay. Now, if they don't stay, your channel is at the risk of losing subscribers or losing viewers. All right, so I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your videos professionally to look good and appealing to your audience. Okay, so if this sounds like what you'll be interested, drop it on the comment section. Type in I'm interested. Type on the comment section I'm interested, I'm interested, I'm interested. So if I see a number of people that are interested, then I'll now go ahead and start the training. All right, so if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get to see it. All right, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can also recommend it to other creators who are interested in this kind of video. Please guys, be very careful. I am not on WhatsApp. Yeah, I'm not on WhatsApp. Please, the only channel you can get access to me is through my email and Telegram channel. They are all pinned on my bios. Please be very careful. I am not on WhatsApp. And remember, I will never ask you for money. I will never DM you first. I'll never ask you for any form of payment. Please be very careful. So until I come your way next time, peace and love.